Hi, I am Ayushi Rawat and welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss the September Leetcode Challenge week 4 problem, largest number. Now let's have a look at the problem statement. Let's see what it says. Given a list of non-negative integers, arrange them such that they form the largest number. Okay, now let's have a look at the example. We have an input array which reads 10 comma 2. We have two elements here and the output is 2 1 0. Okay, so basically we have to return the largest number. The idea behind is it's like we have to construct the largest number, and at the same time we have to ensure that the most significant digits are occupied by the largest digits. We cannot just simply arrange it into descending order, because in that case we will be returning 102 because 10 is greater than 2. So we'll look for different approach here. Note the result may be large, so we need to return a string instead of an integer. Okay. The next example says we have an input array of 3, 30, 34, 5 and 9. Okay. And the output here reads 9534330 is our output string here. Let's move forward to the solution. It would become more clearer to you once we code. So initially I will return an empty string if our length of the array is 0. Next, I'll run a loop over our length of array. Now, I will run another loop from x plus 1 to length of numbers here. Now, I'll declare two variables here, I and j. I'll convert nums of x into I and nums of y into j. So I'm doing this for each iteration. Now I'll run an if condition checking if int of I plus j is less than j plus I. In that case, I'll swap the numbers. Now I'll check the condition. If nums of 0 equals to 0, in that case I'll simply return 0. Remember, we have to return string 0 here. Now I will declare another variable result here and initialize it with empty string. Next, I'll declare a counter variable and initialize it to 0. Now I'll run a while loop for condition until count is less than the length of numbers. Here I'm updating the result variable, and at last I'll increase the counter by 1. Once done, I can return the result at last. Now let's try running our code. Now let's try submitting it. And it's done. You can join my Discord server and Telegram channel for regular updates. You can find the code at my GitHub repository. Link is available in the description box below. If you wish to connect with me on other social platforms, the link is mentioned in the description box below. If you have any queries or suggestions, please feel free to ask. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.